Good morning, Saturday morning. Beautiful sunrise this morning. No mist like yesterday, but just wondered if these ladies got any sleep in here. The wind was absolutely crazy last night. Still blowing hectic, but last night was absolutely horrific. The tent was flipping all over the place. So let's see what today brings. Saturday afternoon. At least it's starting to cool down a little bit. Breeze started. Not as bad as it was last night. And Patricia and Michaela left about lunchtime. There's big storms coming and the tent doesn't seal properly on the camper van. So it's better that they move on and get that sorted before the big storms. Good morning, Sunday morning. Nice and cool this morning. Had fine drizzle all night last night. No thunderstorms as weather prediction. Let's see what the weather brings today. I've decided to hit the road, rather go home. I was going to go from here to a nature reserve just down the road, But with all the dirt roads and with the continuous rain, I thought, nah, I'd rather go home and come back some other time. I've just left Bush Willow Caravan Park and just driving down the driveway to get to the main road, and like I say, we'll do it another time. Yes.